Broken glass? Do not rush to buy a new double-glazed window. Can be repaired easily and cheaply. Using a screwdriver and a hammer, I take out the glazing beads from the window frame. The first is difficult, the rest is easy. I take out the plastic spacers. They hold the glass. There are 4 of them, on all sides of the window. It is in these places that the spacer plates are located. Pieces hold on to the sealant, they need to be torn off. I clean the remains of the sealant on aluminum with a knife. Silica gel is embedded in aluminum cavities, he has heard. It absorbs moisture. Therefore, these works must be done in dry weather and low humidity. Silica gel must be dry. I found a piece of ordinary glass. It's a piece from a broken plastic window. It's a little thinner than my piece of glass. This is good. The elastic on the glazing bead is not new. It will be better to press. The simplest glass cutter will do. Important, the line must be cut from one edge of the glass to the other, solid, no breaks. With a sharp movement, the glass breaks exactly in the right place. If the edge is thin, then lightly knock and break off with a wooden slat. You need to wash it well, this can no longer be done. And dry. I clean with any solvent. You can use sealant or regular plumbing silicone. The repaired side is better inside the room. I collect everything in reverse order. I will install this window in the house soon.